The printer officially ran out of ink. We have a perfect copy and paste situation here. This big orange guy just got a mini-me, and his parenting style can only be described as aggressive affection. I will love you, but I will also gently suplex you on the floor. Look at him trying to drag the little guy away like a tiny, furry hostage. But the way he casually uses his tail as a built-in toy at the end? Okay, maybe he is actually a genius dad. 10 out of 10 for effort, big guy.